Hey you guys, Thelushdiva here, back like I never left with a new lash tutorial. So you guys have been asking me forever. Y'all have been literally asking me forever to show you guys how to put on the false lashes, and I hear you. I heard you. So let me show you guys what you need and let's get started. So everything that I'm using here today, you guys, is from Thelushdiva.com. You know that I own my own lash brand and I also have my own lash glue. This is called the Boss Bond Lash Adhesive. I started my glue brand because I wanted you guys to be able to get everything you needed for your lash experience in one place. And let me tell you something, this glue right here,
nothing. This shit right here.
This lash glue is waterproof, is sleep proof, baby daddy proof, church proof, anything proof. 100 proof lash glue, okay? So I would only suggest using this if you guys are like going out or you need to have your lashes on for a really long time. This is a super hold lash glue. So now that I've already talked about it, of course, you're gonna need your Boss Bond Lash Adhesive. Second, you need your lash application tool. If you don't have one of these or don't wanna purchase one of these, you guys can just use a regular pair of tweezers. But I would suggest using your tweezers instead of your fingers, just because it kinda helps you get a little bit closer to your eye without like feeling like you're about to poke your eyeball out. And then the third thing, of course, that you need is a pair of lashes. And I think you guys already know that I'm suggesting Lashes by Lush, but if you're a beginner, Daily Diva is not just our most popular beginner style, but it's actually my most popular style of all time. It's great for beginners. It's short length, medium strands, but it still gives you enough of a pop that you can definitely see a difference with your eyes, but you ain't gonna be looking like, you know, you just clocked in for your shift at Magic City. Today, I'm gonna be using my Netflix and Fill lashes, which are super long, but they're not too thick that they look unnatural. So the first thing that you wanna do is take your lash out of the package and you wanna hold it up to your eye to make sure that the band is not too long for the width of your eye. And if it is too long, all you're gonna do is take a little pair of scissors and clip off the end. For me, this lash, I don't need to trim. It's perfect to go from inner corner to outer corner, but you'll find that with some lashes you do need to cut, some lashes you don't. And then second, you're gonna take your lash adhesive and you're just gonna brush it on to the band of the lash, and you just wanna do a really thin layer. If you want a super hold, then what you will do is you'll also take a little thin layer and brush it on directly to your lash line. This step is not required. This is just if you need your lashes to be super tight. I'm talking about sleep 2 days and I'm tight. Then you want to put the glue on to the lash band and onto your eyelid. I like my lashes to be super tight, especially on Saturday night. Anyway, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna let your lash glue dry. This is hands down the most important step in applying your lashes. If you do not let the lash glue dry, then what you're gonna have is your lash sliding all over your eyelid because it's not tacky enough. You'll notice that with the Boss Bond, when it starts to dry down, the white will start to turn clear. If you let it turn all the way clear, then it's not gonna be sticky anymore. So it just takes a few times to figure out like exactly what moment you should put the lash on, but just play with you guys. It usually for me takes between 45 seconds and a good minute for me to get the tackiness that I want. With the Boss Bond lash glue, if you do not let it tack, your lashes won't stick at all, and you will have to reapply and try it again. So make sure that you wait at least 45 seconds. If you want to, you can blow your lash, but of course, if you're doing other people's lashes, you don't blow your little spit bubbles on other people's eyeball lashes, okay? Okay, so my glue is pretty much clear on my eyelid and it's tacking down on my lash. So all I'm gonna do is make sure that I have my tweezer pretty much in the center of the lash. And I'm gonna look into my mirror. Obviously, I gotta look into my camera, so I'm gonna look a little bit over here. Tilt my head back slightly. And just use the tweezer to place the lashes as close to the lash line as I can. And then I'm gonna use my lash tool to kind of squeeze my natural lashes together with the false lash. And you guys, the band on these lashes is so thin that I didn't even have to wear eyeliner with this look. And that's it. I mean, it literally takes like 2 seconds, and look at the difference that it already made in my makeup look. Okay, so now that you saw the first one up close, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the second one, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's it, y'all. It literally took me 32 seconds to apply a pair of eyelashes. So all of you guys have sent me like so many questions and comments and concerns. Am I gonna poke my eye out? Is it gonna catch on fire? Like, what's gonna happen? Literally nothing's gonna happen. If you've never done it before, you definitely can do it. I've had lots and lots of clients who are first-time lash users who put their lashes on for the first time and their lives were changed forever. You guys, I love lashes so much because it's just like the quickest way to elevate your makeup look. Like, without lashes, you can still look good. You look great. But if you put a pair of lashes on a natural face, you have just taken your look from natural to glam in literally 2 minutes, 1 minute per eye. And half of that minute is just waiting on the glue to dry. It takes you 2 seconds, pop, pop, and you are done. You guys, I love lashes so much, I even got it tatted on me, okay? We are serious about lashes over here, so if you guys are afraid to try it, don't be afraid. Make sure that you order one of the Lush Lash kits so that you can get everything you need in one pack. You get the glue, you get the tweezers, you get an eyelash curler, and you get the spoolie to help you care for your lashes. You could just get one pair of mink, and that could be your lash for 6 months. Like, literally, you can wear these lashes over and over and over again. So, you guys, I hope this tutorial helped you guys. I hope that you got to see that it's like literally nothing. It takes 2 seconds. And if you have any questions or you want me to help you, just slide in my DMs, okay? Thank y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so much, and I'll see you later.